Is your home feeling a little dated? Even small design choices can make interiors look old-fashioned. In 2025, modern, luxurious homes focus on clean lines, smart textures, and contemporary styling. The good news? Many outdated elements can be updated with simple, easy fixes to instantly modernize your space. Here are 20 things that make your home look old-fashioned, along with practical tips to give it a fresh, luxurious makeover. 1. Heavy, dark curtains. Replace thick, dark drapes with light, airy curtains or modern blinds. Choose neutral or soft pastel shades to brighten spaces. 2. Overcrowded furniture. Too many pieces make a room feel cluttered. Keep only essential furniture and allow open space for flow. 3. Outdated wall colors. Bold or dark outdated hues can make a home feel old. Opt for soft neutrals, whites, or muted tones to modernize instantly. 4. Old-fashioned lighting fixtures. Replace dated chandeliers or lamps with sleek, contemporary lighting or statement pendant lights. 5. Carpet patterns from decades ago. Swap heavily patterned carpets for neutral, textured, or geometric designs that feel luxurious and timeless. 6. Mismatched furniture styles. Mixing too many styles can feel chaotic. Aim for cohesive furniture sets or complementary pieces for harmony. 7. Cluttered shelves and surfaces. Keep surfaces minimal with a few key decor pieces to avoid a dated look. 8. Heavy upholstery fabrics. Velvets and floral prints can look old-fashioned. Opt for sleek fabrics like linen, wool, or soft cotton blends. 9. Overly dark wood finishes. Replace very dark wood furniture or panels with lighter wood or matte finishes for a modern touch. 10. Outdated wall art. Swap old prints for modern, minimal, or abstract pieces to refresh your walls. 11. Old-style handles and knobs. Update cabinets and doors with sleek, modern handles or minimalist knobs. 12. Too many patterns. Mixing too many prints can feel chaotic. Stick to 2 to 3 patterns max in a room for balance. 13. Bulky electronics. Visible TVs, speakers, and wires data space. Use hidden storage or sleek setups to keep electronics streamlined. 14. Heavy bed frames. Replace ornate or bulky beds with low-profile, minimalist frames for a modern bedroom. 15. Outdated window treatments. Swap blinds or curtains from past decades with motorized or layered modern curtains. 16. Small or dim spaces. Improve lighting and use mirrors to make spaces feel larger and airy. 17. Overstuffed or old sofas. Replace sagging sofas with clean-lined, plush modern couches for both comfort and style. 18. Excessive ornamentation. Too many decorative items make interiors feel dated. Less is more in modern luxury design. 19. Neglecting textures. Flat walls and floors can feel dull. Add rugs, throws, cushions, and layered materials for warmth and depth. 20. Outdated flooring. Replace old tiles or worn carpets with modern luxury flooring, such as premium carpets, stone, or LVP flooring for a contemporary finish. Final thoughts. By addressing these 20 common issues, your home can transform from old-fashioned to modern and luxurious with simple updates. Small changes like new carpets, updated window treatments, cohesive furniture, and thoughtful textures make a big impact. For premium carpets, rugs, and luxury home accents that instantly elevate your interiors, visit flooringdubai.com, your go-to source for creating a stylish, contemporary home in 2026.